Okay, when we are multiplying out brackets with powers, we can just multiply these powers here. So I have c squared to the power of 4, multiply the powers, gives me c to the power 8. I can do the same thing here with the powers of k, so k to the power 5 multiplied by 4 gives me k to the power 20, and this is our answer. Here, to expand these brackets out, the easiest way is to use the grid method. This gives me 3x plus 5 on the top, multiplied by 4x minus 1 here. 4x multiplied by 3x gives me 12x squared. 4x multiplied by 5 gives me 20x. Minus 1 multiplied by 3x gives me minus 3x. And minus 1 multiplied by 5 gives me minus 5. If we bring all of these terms together, we now have 12x squared plus 20x minus 3x minus 5. These terms here are both x terms, so we can simplify this further to give us 12x squared plus 17x minus 5, and now we're done. This is our answer. The final question is solving a quadratic. I can see that we're looking for two numbers that multiply to make minus 10, but add to make minus 3. I'm going to start by listing the factors of minus 10. I could have 1 and minus 10, or minus 1 and 10. I could have 2 and minus 5, or minus 2 and 5. I'm now going to look through these pairs of factors to see which ones would add to give me minus 3. This one does not, this one does not, this one works because 2 add minus 5 gives me minus 3, so I now know that my brackets are going to be x plus 2 and x minus 5. Now we're trying to solve this equal to 0, which means that either x plus 2 equals 0 or x minus 5 equals 0. If x plus 2 equals 0, then x must be minus 2. If x minus 5 equals 0, then x must be 5. So my first solution, x1, is minus 2, and my second solution, x2, is 5.